Hello there, welcome to my channel. My name is Jessica. I post beauty and art related content here on YouTube with a tinge of anti-consumerism. If you are into that sort of thing, I would love it if you would join my average army. Yes, I'm officially calling all of my subscribers my average army. And we are non-violent, we are peaceful people. We just like to have a good time and chit chat about makeup and art and stuff. So if you like that kind of thing, hit that subscribe button. Hit the notification bell, and then we can hang out more often, you and I. All right, today's fun fact about me is that I have been in 2 plays. One play I was in was Willy Wonka and the Chocolate Factory when I was in 3rd grade. And I played an Oompa Loompa, and I had 1 line. The other play I was in was called Planet Z. I was in that play when I was a senior in high school. And I played a man living on Earth who was one of the last few people to not have died in the zombie apocalypse. And I sang 80s songs and learned how to dance to Michael Jackson. So it was pretty rad. Alright, for today's video, I wanted to do something very artistic and just kind of do a little time-lapse process video of how I create a more artistic look. So, I hope that you enjoy it. I hope that I figure out how to make it look nice in editing. And let's get down to it. So, for this look, I got inspiration from Zoe of Color Endeavor from Instagram. She started this project with another creator. What's her name? Never Try Your Best, which I love. Such a great name. Anywho, those two kind of came together to create this nature-inspired art collab. And there's a hashtag for it. I think it's like Makeup Follows Nature or something like that. I can leave more info down below. But I really wanted to participate, so I reached out to them and let them know. And Zoe gave me this stunning image. She actually edits these herself and does all the artistic work to make these come to life. So they're so beautiful, and I love this. It's like, it's so magical. I've always wanted to be a character in a fantasy novel and just like actually be an elf or a fairy and live somewhere deep in the woods. So this gives me all of those good fantasy forest elf vibes. And I'm going to be creating a look based off of that. So here goes nothing.